Welcome to SME SEO Agency, where we do SEO a little bit differently. We like to help our customers, give them advice, and today I'm talking about site structure, mainly the categories and tags. To get to the categories, you go to Posts and open Categories. I always open everything in a new link, so I can always go back. The thing about categories is they need to be balanced. You need to have a similar amount of categories or posts in categories. Whereas on this particular one, you've got 360 on parenting and family, 2 on health and fitness, but then you've got another health and fitness. The problem is when you create multiple categories, it creates multiple URLs. So these two need moving at the very least. Also, what is not good for your SEO is uncategorized. So all these need allocating into a category. The parent and family needs splitting down to subcategories. You just need a good balance for site structure. And if we look at the posts themselves, when you create or put a post in multiple categories, you create multiple URLs for that single post. So for example, on this one we've got home technology review and then reviews. So that'll have 2 URLs. And if you don't set a canonical tag, Google will decide which one it's going to list, and the other ones will probably be no indexed. And also this one, home and technology review, reviews, toys and games reviews. That's 3 URLs. And then if you go further onto the tags, this has got 1, 2, 3, 4 tags. So it will make a URL with home and technology review, and then with app, home and technology review, games, home and technology review, kids. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that could have 15 URLs, but only 1 will be indexed. And if you keep creating multiple tags and categories for one single post, this is in the search console. This is what we end up with. Over 10,000 posts excluded for various reasons. We'll come back to that in another post. So for these reviews, look at this one for example, and for a quick edit, that was the wrong button by the way. That's a full edit, because if you went into every single post it would take you forever. So I'll come back to that. There we go. So you want the quick edit, and this is how you can quickly sort out your categories. Out and about reviews, travel and adventure. So travel and adventure, out and about, similar. We can just uncheck. And the same thing is with the tags. You don't want the tags as same as the categories. That's called cannibalization of your content. You want it to rank for out and about reviews as a category, or do you want it to rank as days out? So ideally, days out and about, it's wrong. Not wrong, it's not good for SEO. The way to think about categories is defining a similar category, and then once you start to use a tag, you define that category a little bit more. Do not start using tags randomly, because for every new tag you generate a new URL. So we'll update that. and we'll go into more detail in the next video.